So ants aren't all bad. Outside, they can act as decomposers, they aerate the soil, and they eat insect pests. They also can be a bit of a problem though, they can be a problem outside because they like to farm the honeydew, which is the residue that a lot of pests leave behind, which would be a lot of pests like aphids, scale, and thrips. So what they do is they will protect those pests from their predators, which are beneficial insects like ladybugs. On the left, you can see ants fighting a ladybug off. And because of this relationship, ants can also act as indicators of a larger problem. So ants themselves may not be a problem, but if you see a trail of ants going up a tree, there's a good chance that the tree has a pest problem, as like with aphids or some other pest. So what you can do, actually we'll talk about what you can do on the next slide. So some ant solutions. Indoors, we're going to focus on prevention. We're going to clean crumbs and water, seal food, and seal any cracks, and add weather stripping to our windows and doors. And then we're going to monitor if they do arrive. Is it one, is it two, or is it you're seeing a whole trail, a colony coming in? And then if we need to take action, we're going to just start with wiping the scouts off. They send scouts out to look for food. So if you see a scout walking around, wipe it, and then wipe the area to clean up its scent trail with a soapy sponge. You're going to find their point of entry and block that off with some caulk or some other material to block it. And then you're going to find what they're coming in to look for. Are they coming in for any food or crumbs or water? They do come in for water, so keeping your sink dry. They might also come for pet food if it's sitting on the ground all day. And then, so take care of that. And then if you do need to take some chemical control action, bait stations are very effective, like the Taro liquid ant bait. Anything with a boric acid bait will be very effective. Again, it does take a little bit longer, reminding you that a spray is not going to be very effective because sprays are contact kills. So it will kill the ants in front of you, but it's not going to kill any others. Whereas a bait, the ants come out, they eat the bait, they bring it back to the colony, and then it will kill the whole colony from there. So in that case, it's going to be more effective, but might take a day or two. Outdoors, we're gonna manage our other pests like aphids, scale, and thrips. We can use, we do have that tree problem, like I mentioned, crawling up a tree, to avoid them protecting those pests, we're going to use a product like Tanglefoot, which is a sticky insect glue. We're going to wrap our tree trunk with a piece of paper and put the glue around it. That way the ants will get stuck there and won't be able to make it up the tree. There are also outdoor bait stations that you can use. They're little stakes that you can put in the ground that contain boric acid and spinosad. Orange Guard, while it is a spray and it's a contact kill, so it's only going to kill the ants in front of you, it does have an element of repelling action. So if you do know that your ants are coming in your doorway, maybe you can just spray your door jamb with Orange Guard. It will keep ants away for maybe a week and you'll have to reapply. And then you can also use two products, boric acid powder and diatomaceous earth, which is also a very fine powder. Boric acid basically causes it disrupts digestion and leads to starvation. And diatomaceous earth is a powder that you can put like in cracks or crevices or on the pathway that the ants are going, and diatomaceous earth will dehydrate them from the outside when it gets on their exoskeleton. Both of those products also work with cockroaches, silverfish, earwigs, and bed bugs. And they are non-toxic, but both are powder, and diatomaceous earth especially is a very fine powder, so it can be harmful if breathed in. It can be a lung irritant. So you want to make sure with both products that they are not being accessed by pets or children.